she walks all right.
Joe.
Yeah. It's like better once you get on
Joe.
the concrete.
Eh?
Where you going, over there?
Wherever walks, see if I see big shells.
Oh, you don't have to, you know.
You don't have to go over there, man. If you walk on the... Fine stuff.
Do you want to take your bucket then to collect them?
Hey.
I'll feed that anyway.
Yeah, you take it.
You will do because the sun will be very, very hot. This will be very hot to take around here. Are you enjoying it?
Hey. Joe. Catherine over there, Kev. Hey, a bit of a pot belly there, Grant.
Good living, isn't it? Hey, you got to get ideas in your bloody head, you.
Go for a swim? Swim the channel?
I'll go.
Just put cream on all himself. It's going to get
Hey,
it
I
off
always put some on that.
Tat on.
Oh, yeah.
They'll...
Look at that. Get it.
Did you like that in the water? It's good. Where are you going? Where are you going? No, you put them in your mouth, Joe. Can't trust you. Mum's bringing your cup in. You hold that for Kevin, man. Stand over from the belly. 6 pairs of eyes. Honestly, we just put some down to trust now.
No, still lighters, you know. The cow is good at roast, huh? McLarens are very good. No, someone brought it from Shrinker. They were some confections that were
I don't know how they get it.
I'm making something.
No, yeah.
Hey,
You manage.
Slowly. Come on, Joe. Come to Auntie. Come and see Auntie. Oh, sorry, I didn't know you were a friend.
All right.
Come to see Auntie. There we are. He's a good boy. There we are.
Yep.
Wait, not for me.
Oops. Did Kevin just go out for it?
There we are.
Another towel? Come on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Right, bury the football. That football over there.
Yeah. This is fine.
Want to make a big towel?
Oh, you will do for that.
I can't understand Maltese. No, you speak English.
Got to make a big one here.
The rest of the holiday.
Don't do that.
Nice playing now.
Careful, he won't get it. You're all right. Come away from the other people's towels. Yeah, sand in here.
Oh, good girl.
Oh no, got my belly out. Are you sharing nicely? Drinks more than this is going to be okay. Sadly, I don't
She's too excited to do other things, I think.
know how much she drinks at home, does she?
Don't put it over my face. Not over my head. That was a bad idea. What are you doing? Get me bum. Hey.
Now, when you eat an ice cream, you can't play with the sand at all.
You've got the ice cream?
Otherwise, it gets full of sand. Tell her, Ali. All right?
If you'll wash your hands in the
Got a nice lolly. Get a bucket of water ready for her, and she can rinse her hands in it. Come on.
You want an ice cream?
And chance she don't feel like
Can we does he want? Does he want one as well?
Are they going to buy him enough?
He's got the yellow bucket.
Eh?
Oh, it's in this big bucket.
Tilda, where did you put the yellow one?
I don't know.
In plenty.
You can fill it. I'll fill it. I've got some. Wash my hands.
Go. I'll bring it for you.
Put your flip-flops on.
Tell them which one you like.